an easy hike, it's family friendly, you can even bring a stroller. The landscape is shaped by ice and running water, so you will see a lot of beautiful waterfalls.
This valley was formed under the ice more than 10,000 years ago, and the ice and the water underneath the ice kind of carved out the entire valley, leaving pebbles, gravel, big boulders like this. And then when the pressure from the ice was gone, some of the mountainside caved in, as you can see behind me here.